man, well, it's on its way, but I want to take a look right now. This just looks like a big mess. Scary stuff out there. They've got severe thunderstorm warnings and watches, and that's just to our neighbors to the west. But for us, this won't necessarily be giving us a direct impact. This is actually going to pull more towards Michigan. Actually, in fact, our weather is coming more so from the Gulf. We're going to be seeing that warm front continue to lift through parts of northeast Ohio, bringing that hot, hazy, humid weather towards us. Right now, though, we are off to a dry start this morning. Current temperatures are in the 70s, and as we head throughout the morning, you'll see these numbers quickly jump. We're heading from the 70s into the 80s and then the 90s by this afternoon. But 7 a.m., so we're pretty dry here. A few clouds moving in along the lakeshore, and those clouds will be in and out throughout the morning. But then this afternoon, just after 2 o'clock, that's when I'd start to kind of keep my eyes peeled for that rain. We'll be seeing showers as well as isolated thunderstorms moving through, and that won't last the entire night. We should be out of here by about 6 p.m. So for some of us getting off work, but you'll notice another round of showers and storms moving through on your Thursday. So we got to keep an eye on that. Tomorrow, some of it could be stronger to severe, so I will let you know how that pans out. Your Power 5 7-day forecast. One thing I would like to point out is these temperatures. Highs reaching the low 90s today. Many days, though, we'll be seeing these temps Thursday and Friday, Kristen.